Here at Live Bearded, we pride ourselves on creating the highest quality grooming products that are made in the USA, natural, and designed specifically for men. And one of our most popular products has been our natural charcoal bar soap for being a gentle cleanser with a rich lather. And it's received rave reviews about how it leaves your skin feeling clean, soft, and exfoliated. What we also heard was that some of you guys just simply aren't bar soap guys. We heard you, Jason. So we've been working tirelessly to formulate the best damn body wash I've ever used. Yes, that is a big statement. And yes, we can back it up. Now, you guys wanted the same gentle cleansing benefits that are needed to clean off your hard day's work with a rich lather and natural exfoliants to help get the job done. And you wanted it in a liquid form, so we did just that. We started by using the same natural base of charcoal as a primary cleansing agent. Now, charcoal is the perfect ingredient because it helps to deeply cleanse without causing excess drying of the skin. It works by drawing impurities and toxins out of the skin, leaving it feeling fresh and clean. Unlike traditional chemical goos that leave it dry, itchy, and ashy. Ugh, gross. We also added key ingredients such as caffeine, used to help to invigorate the skin and protect it from environmental stressors and premature aging. Because let's face it, as men, we want to avoid premature anything. And we added aloe for its incredible soothing and hydrating properties to help keep you feeling as soft and smooth as a 90s boy band. Not only that, but they're natural and free from harmful chemicals, making them a safe and sustainable choice for men who care about their skin and what they put on their bodies. You'll never find us using sulfates, parabens, harsh chemicals, or any of the other harmful crap that stuff on the shelf comes with. We proudly keep our products natural. And in nature, the color red is a warning that something is dangerous, and we think you should listen. So it's time to toss out the old red bottle of chemical goo and upgrade to a natural body wash designed specifically for you. If you have any questions about our all-new body wash or anything at all, guys, reach out anytime. We're always here to help. And as always, live bearded, brother.